So my name's Joe and I'm doing a level 1 welding. Bit of a petrol head. I'm into fixing cars up, and it's the welding which is kind of like most interest to me, but the least skilled in. So it was to get a bit more of an understanding of how to do it. I quite like doing engine swaps, basic like maintenance and stuff, but it's more of the welding application and repairs that I want to get into through this year. Transition from my day job, which is gardener, to a fabricator. With this course, that's a big head start. Phil is awesome. You can't really ask him a question that's stupid enough. He's quite patient. His teaching technique is like really easy to get on with, and he's been a great help to the course. But it's the confidence in what I can potentially do later in this year, as far as like career changing and stuff. This course has allowed me to realise it a bit sooner.